Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the script that I've been working on called TheAnimeScripter. It's a front end for many of the tools that you may already know and love, those being FlowFrames with Rive and Topaz for upscaling. Basically incorporates many of those features and some extra ones that are coming in the near future. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. I do want to mention that this is still in alpha, so there are still some bugs that I need to, and still some edge case scenarios, so to say, that I need to tackle. But those will soon be hopefully fixed. Anyway, we have an arbitrary clip gotten from the internet, and let's look into it a bit. It has a lot of duplicated frames. Quite a lot, actually, now that I look at it. I do not want that. They're usually really bad for both upscaling and interpolating, so I would preferably not want that to be in the final project. That is why I would, or you would probably remove the dev frames manually or using whatever other means you have. Pressing the Dedup button, it will look at the file, open a terminal, and it has deduplicated the clip. I will soon add a slider to this so that it knows which and what clips, it will include a sensitivity, so to say, filter to it, so that it's easier for users to fine-tune their deduplication sensitivity. Looking at this clip now, I do want to maybe upscale it. The resolution is 1912 by 1080 in 23.976 FPS. Pressing upscale, I'm gonna use a Shuffle Gauguin model. There's some tooltip here that you can use to get a better understanding of what happens. I will further improve on this, but it's a pretty general purpose for now. Pressing the upscale, it's gonna open a terminal and it's gonna run the script, and boom, it's done. Looking at this clip now, upscale, it's 3080 40 by 2160 in 23.980 FPS. It may include some, oh no, it doesn't include any dev frames apparently. Maybe just at the end, depending on the encoder settings. Anyway, let's go and try to interpolate it now. Select the clip that you want, interpolate it. I will open the terminal again. And boom, it's done. Let's just compare for now the upscale version to the normal version or the Dedup version. Let's resize this to width and height. Much more detail, much higher sharpness, much less noise. I do want to mention that you may see some blocking. These are compression artifacts. This is because I'm using MPEG 4. There's an After Effects limit that I have yet to break, but overall it's a much better quality. You can play around with whatever model you would want from here, but I will also improve on this and add more models to it. Looking at the interpolated version, knowing that the Dedup has 23.976 FPS, the interpolated version should also be, but actually double, 47.960. You can change the settings if you want, for instance, let's say 4 times the frame rate. Select the clip, here set 4, interpolate. It will open a terminal. I do want to mention this is heavily dependent on your system, but it has interpolated it. Looking at 8394, it's 95 FPS now. This is being 4 times the original input. Anyway, that was basically it. I'm gonna make a tutorial. I'm gonna improve on this furthermore. I'm gonna make a tutorial on this, how to use this, how to install it, but it's really simple. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you soon.